this video, I will show you how to apply for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. So to do this, just head over to chase.com, and from here you want to go to the credit cards, and once you click on it, this drop down will appear. From here just click on explore credit cards. Now under their most popular reward cards, you will already see the Chase Freedom Unlimited. If you don't see it right here, just scroll down a bit and right here click explore all cards, and then you can find it from there. But since it's right here, you can just click on it and you can see some more details. So for example, unlimited 1.5% cashback is just the beginning, a 0% intro APR for 15 months, $250 bonus, $0 annual fee. So obviously this is a pretty good card. Now if you want to apply, you can first just sign into your account if you have one, which will make it a lot faster because you won't have to enter all your basic details such as your name and address. But if you don't have an account, just click apply as a guest. Then from here, just enter all of these details. So that's again your first name, last name, date of birth, tax ID, your social security number, your home address, and all of this right here. And just go and read through this carefully. And if you agree, then just at the bottom here, click I've read and agree to the above, and then click submit. And then they will let you know if you are eligible for this card, and then you can actually get it and you have basically applied for it. So now you know how to apply for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.